I'm at the Apple store right now and I am doing something I thought I would never do. I've been using Android for 16 years, since 2008. Started with the Droid Incredible, all the way through the Pixel Fold, and most recently using the Pixel 8 Pro. With the iPhone 16, I am going to attempt to make the switch and live with the iPhone for a year. I'm a little bit worried about how this is going to turn out, but you never know unless you try. And I'm gonna go demo the iPhone 15, just so I can get a feel of, am I nuts? And I'll be going ahead and pre-ordering the 16 once it goes live. And I will see you again soon. Thanks. Peace. And I'm back. Just finished testing out the iPhone 15 Pro Max and looking at the different colors. Probably going with the traditional or classic titanium color. Pixel Fold is gone. Got my money. Got my gift card, my Apple gift card. Initial impressions were way better than I thought, and it's definitely something I could get used to. And I'll be joining the Apple ecosystem. I never thought I would see the day. It's gonna be weird. I've spent my last 7 years working for Android websites. Well, I did it. I'm officially on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the front-facing camera on it, and I guess I'll start with the buying experience. I bought it at an Apple store. When you make your order, you reserve a time slot to pick it up. It's a 15-minute time slot. You get in line, and they call you in. Very reminiscent of waiting in line for a midnight game launch or a new movie release in the theaters. The wait wasn't long at all. It was about a 5-minute wait in line, despite there being a ton of people. You check in and they call you and send you in the store, so it doesn't matter where you are in line. When it's your turn, they call you and you just get out of line and you hop in. So it was really cool. It was a really pleasant experience. It was pretty straightforward, and yeah, it was in and out of there in almost no time at all. I traded in another phone as part of the upgrade, and I was out of there. So earlier in this video, a week or two ago now, I guess you could say, I said I was probably gonna get the natural titanium. I decided to change it and I went with the white iPhone instead. Why? Because titanium has a ton left in stock and there's only one white left in stock, and I gotta go with the stuff that's harder to get. I thought that going from Android to iPhone was gonna be a pain in the ass, at least with the initial setup and getting my apps back and getting that all switched over, but it was a pretty straightforward process. iPhone tells you to download an app on your Android phone if you're switching from Android, and it does a wireless transfer. So I'm gonna be moving in a second, so hold on. Yeah, so when you transfer from Android to iPhone, you use their app. I have a lot of apps on my phone. It did a lot of the work for me that I thought I was gonna do. So it transferred, I think, pretty much all of the apps that I had on Android over to iPhone. One of the most daunting tasks was extremely easy. So yeah, it took me about an hour and a half to do the full transfer. I was on Starbucks Wi-Fi. Thanks, Starbucks. So that might be why it took a while. Something you should be aware of though, when you are doing the transfer, I don't think you could use apps or text messages or calls or anything like that. And now I'm gonna go pick up my son. Luke!
Hola!
Hola!
How doing?
How doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
We're having a good time right now.
What are we doing? That's such a good time.
Just sitting in the car together.
Just sitting in the car in the middle of a rainstorm. You ready to go get soaking wet? No?
I want that umbrella.
Nope. Nope.
Yeah.
No umbrella.
Yes, umbrella.
No
yes,
umbrella.
Umbrella. Yes, umbrella.
If you think I should give Luke an umbrella, like this video.
Yeah, and raise your hand.
Like this video and raise your hand if you think that we should give Luke the umbrella. I think we should make him walk out in the rain.
No.
Yep. Make sure you like and subscribe so you get that umbrella. And for the last time in this video, peace!
Peace!
Peace!